Today we have the plasma wall mount from Walfix. It's full mount TV sets with diagonal from 26 to 47 dooms, and now we will see what we got inside of it. Let's open our box and look what we got inside. And it's already falling down the instruction how to fix it on the wall with different types of wall, and how to put it to the TV set. From the left side you see the elements, spikes and keys here with right description. And now let's see what we got inside of our box. Everything is inside. As you see, inside we have lots of spikes, keys, and even dibbles, and plastic rings to protect our backside of TV set. So inside we have 4 dibbles, diameter 8 millimeters. For each dibbles we have 6 spikes with a 6 corner on top. ST6 length is only 50 millimeters. We have extra spikes, M5 20 millimeters straights, and even M6 long one 20 millimeters, short one M6 12 millimeters, and the big one, where it is, I don't know for what, it's M8 20 millimeters per straight. Inside of it you see we have extra pipes here. It's part of the metal construction, and as you see we have some keys inside of it. It's for fix it inside of our construction. We have the same 2 pipes, and let's see what we have extra inside. So it's already parts of the construction. As you see, it's for the vertical part, it needs to be fixed on the TV set, and as you see we have spike which was described as part of this package, but as you see it's already inside of our metal construction. It's need to be for fixing our metal this part on the horizontal part, which be mounted in the wall. The same 2 button, as you see, it's for the vertical fixing, and now it's part for the horizontal fixing on the wall. It will be mounted on the wall. It's the lower one, and let's see, it's the upper one, and it's already been described. It's have the specific part. It's level, It's need to be fixed on the right position on the wall, and I think it's really useful because I don't have to have my own lever, yeah, to make it right straight on the wall. So, and the next part will be put it all together and fix it on the TV set, and after it we will mount it on the wall already.